It's not bad. I think I did a pretty good job. So initially when I looked at it, I was like, this looks easy. But now looking at it again, I'm like, Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Meme, also known as Memsnaij. If you are new, you know what to do. Click the subscribe button to join the family, and for the rest of you guys, thank you so much for sticking around. From the title you can see what this video is going to be about. Now on Pinterest, I love Pinterest. I use Pinterest especially for fashion, for style. I also get inspiration for natural hairstyles on Pinterest as well. And so in this video I am going to be trying out some of them styles. My sweater, it's autumn time. We cannot be forming showing skin in autumn, my dear. We need to wear this sweater. The interesting thing to me is how I'm looking at styles. None of these people have my hair texture. None of them. Not one has my hair texture. There's no texture. Maybe the closest to my hair texture, it's not like my hair texture, but the closest to my hair texture is probably this one with the side. But my hair is not this long, so at the end of the day. Anyway, so I guess for me, it's like I want to see if I can pull these styles off with my own texture. I want to see if I can pull them off. So this is an old twist out. Obviously we still need some curl on the hair, but I am talking a bit too much. Let's get straight into the video. Do not try this at home. Over manipulating your hair is not the way to go. Parting in four. My hair is dry. I should spritz it. She has, I would say, 4 sections. She flat twisted. However, I am not a flat twist expert. If anything, I don't even think I know how to flat twist. So I am going to cornrow mine. Okay. I'm gonna do these two off camera because I'm tired. I wanted to do it off camera, but before people say that it was my sister that helped me, I didn't do it by myself. Let me come back and do it on camera. So what do I do next? Like that. Okay, let's see. I think I'm going to flat twist the back. It's not bad. I think I did a pretty good job. What do you think? But let us use our accessories. She didn't show us the back of her hair, so I am not going to show you the back of my hair. How do y'all think I did? So I can achieve this hairstyle on 4C hair. I can. So is this a yay or a nay? Let me know in the comment section, and let's move over to our second style. I was like, this looks easy. But now looking at it again, I'm like, I think, she's done. I wonder if she has them on both sides. I don't know if she has them on both sides. I'm thinking she might have them on both sides, but I'm just going to do one side because ain't nobody got time to be doing this, especially if I'm not going anywhere. I'm doing it to take it out to do another style. No, we are not doing that. Whew. Obviously she did smaller sections than I did, but yeah, to save time. I think she has twisted these for them to be so straight. She did them to look so like she's twisted them all the way to the end. She twisted each one. Okay, moment of truth. Shape this one then. Just looking in the mirror, I feel like she's done both. I feel like she's done both. I don't think she would do just one side. One side would look weird. I think she's done both. She's obviously done. So, for the sake of a nice look, I'm just going to flat twist this side without doing the whole shebang, because to be honest, I can't even see the parts here. So like, I'm like, did I just waste my time parting my hair? I could have just flat twisted it, but it's okay. Not looking like hers, but I wouldn't call this a fail because I would actually style my hair like this. This is something that I could do, but I kind of have done. It looks nothing like hers, like nothing. I don't even know what I can do to make it look like hers. Alright, let's move to the fourth one. Now this one I am definitely not going to be using any curl rollers or whatever. Not my finest attempt, but yes, like I said, the sun has gone down. It's getting dark, so I'm going to end the video here. Oh my gosh, it was a long one. So these are styles on Pinterest. Do you know what? If I take my time and really work on each style, I would definitely wear it out. And I think that all the styles can work on the natural hair, you know. I mean, it just takes a bit of tweaking here and there to make it work for you. But to be honest, I think that every style, any style you see, you can kind of like tweak it or suit it to your own natural hair. Obviously, it's not going to look like the person's own hair because we all have different textures. Some textures will fall in a certain way, some textures will stand in a certain way, but whatever you see is kind of like inspiration to create your own, if you know what I mean. Until next time, don't forget to spread love, spread positivity, and live to inspire.